Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best camera bargains that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Olympus Tough TG6. The Olympus TG6 is the most capable waterproof rugged camera on the market. It has a relatively fast f2.0 to 4.9, 25 to 100 mm equivalent lens with image stabilization along with a 1.2 MP sensor. The camera can dive as deep as 15 meters 50 feet and can be dropped, crushed, and function at low temperatures. It has the ability to log your location, direction, and altitude depth. You live for the outdoors. Hiking steep mountain trails, backpacking through a desert canyon, skiing in the wilderness, the Tough TG6 is ready for adventure. It's built to endure all the extreme environments you love exploring. You can drop it, step on it, go deep underwater or out into a freezing blizzard. It just keeps on shooting awesome stills and video. Packed with pro features, you'll nail difficult shots, even in low light. Shoot intricately detailed macro photos and unique shots underwater with vivid color. The TG6 has dedicated underwater modes that make sure white balance and other settings are accurate. It also has a microscope mode which lets you photograph a subject from 1 cm (0.4) away. Photo quality is good for a camera with a small sensor, and the TG6 is the only camera in its class that supports RAW. In addition to stills, the TG6 can capture good quality 4K video. Moving on at number 4, we have Panasonic Lumix DMC-ZS100. The Panasonic Lumix DMC-ZS100 TZ100 in some regions is a compact camera with a 1-inch sensor and 25 to 250 mm equiv. Lens. It fits easily in your pocket, making it an ideal camera for travel. Its lens has a relatively slow maximum aperture, so it won't perform terribly well in low light, though it will still outdo compacts with smaller sensors. It doesn't get the nicer JPEG colors of newer Panasonic models. Perfect for travelers, the Panasonic Lumix digital camera DMC-ZS100K brings the legendary optical performance of a 10x 25 to 250 mm Leica DC Vario ELMARIT lens with amazingly stable OIS optical image stabilizer to a highly portable point-and-shoot travel camera. With a powerful 1-inch 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor, the Leica DC Vario ELMARIT camera lens features a super bright f2.8 to 5.9 aperture range that is optically stabilized with Panasonic's hybrid OIS technology to add striking depth of field dimension to your photographs even in low light conditions. The ZS100 has a fixed touchscreen display and a better-than-nothing electronic viewfinder. In addition to taking 4K video, the ZS100 also has genuinely useful features like post focus and 4K photo. For those looking for a portable, versatile travel camera, the ZS100 is a bargain. At number 3, we have Nikon D3500 with 18 to 55 mm lens. The D3500, a mild update to the D3400, is Nikon's latest entry-level DSLR. Like other Nikons, the D3500's 24MP APS-C sensor has excellent resolution and dynamic range. Its autofocus system is dated and it can't take many photos in a burst, so it's not well suited for sports. Beautiful pictures for all. You don't need to be a photographer to know a great photo when you see one. And you don't need to be a photographer to take a great photo, you just need the D3500. It's as easy to use as a point and shoot, but it takes beautiful DSLR photos and videos that get noticed. It feels outstanding in your hands, sturdy and balanced with controls where you want them. It's compact, durable, and versatile, ideal for travel. And it works seamlessly with compatible smartphones, making it easier than ever to share your great photos. Even if you've never picked up a DSLR camera, you can take beautiful pictures with D3500. What makes the D3500 so appealing is that it's great for beginners, with its guide mode, selecting the correct settings for you based on the use case, and tells you which of them were actually changed so you learn. The camera also features full HD video capture, though AF is essentially unusable, and Bluetooth for easy photo sharing. Battery life is exceptional. At number 2, we have Fujifilm XT3. The XT3 is a fantastic camera that excels at both still and video capture. Build quality is excellent and there are dials on the top plate to control virtually everything. It has a large, high-res viewfinder as well as a unique dual-hinged LCD. Launching X-series mirrorless digital cameras into its 4th generation, the Fujifilm XT3 features an all-new back-illuminated 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 4 processor. Delivering superb image quality, dramatic AF performance, excellent tracking performance of fast-moving subjects, and blackout-free burst shooting, the XT3 is also the first APS-C mirrorless camera capable of 4K 60p 10-bit recording to meet the needs of professional videographers. The XT3's 26MP BSI CMOS sensor produces grade out-of-camera JPEGs, and its raw files allow you to brighten shadows without gaining a ton of noise. Its autofocus system is capable and can track subjects well after adjusting a few settings. Its video features are also a highlight. The camera can capture 10-bit 4K video at 60p with support for F-Log. There are numerous tools to make recording video easier, plus mic and headphone sockets. And finally at number 1, Canon EOS RP. The EOS RP is the least expensive full-frame camera ever launched. Despite being an entry-level model, the RP is well built and has a good number of external controls. While only certain chargers will work, the battery life on the camera is poor. Something else to consider is that most of the RF mount lenses are quite large and heavy, which makes the RP a lot less compact. Straight out of the camera JPEGs look very good, especially in terms of color, though raw images are noisier than the competition. The RP's video capabilities are disappointing, autofocus is poor and 4K footage is heavily cropped with a lot of rolling shutter. That's too bad since the camera does sport a mic and headphone sockets. The EOS RP isn't the most sophisticated camera on the market but is an enjoyable and affordable way to get into one of the latest full-frame mirrorless systems. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.